Everybody, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an assignment that has a Google Doc link to it where it creates its own copy for each student, just like it did with Google Classroom. So I have an assignment set up that I've created. You can read the instructions here. I'm just going to have the kids submit a Google Doc to me so that I know that the system is working correctly for me and so that their Google Drive is linked to Canvas. The main thing here is that I already have, there's our lovely bell. I already have the Google Doc created. You can see right here, it's called 3 Things About Me, and that's really important that I've already created the template beforehand. I got to choose how many points it's worth. I'm going to make it 0, but still require it. I am going to go and make sure that I pick the correct type of assignment. I'm going to use complete or incomplete. None of this really matters. The main thing is the submission type is going to be an external tool. So when I choose external tool, it's going to ask me what external tool I want to use. And in this case, it's Google Docs. So I click Find. I scroll down until I find Google Docs right here. And it's going to pull up my Google Drive, and I just need to find it. So that document was called 3 Things About Me. I'm just going to search for it. It's way easier than digging into my folders. There, it's right here. And I'm going to click Submit. Click Select. And I have 2 options here. I can either load this in a new tab, which means when kids open it up, it'll pop up a new tab up here, or I just have this box unchecked and it'll embed it directly into the page, which is probably what I want here. Okay, so you can decide whether to sync it or not. You can decide a due date. I'll assign a due date of maybe today for this, and I click Save, and I just created an assignment. Each kid is going to have their own version of it, and it's going to look like this to the kids when they log in. It'll be an embedded Google Doc. They can fill it in right here, and they can click at the top. It'll say Submit. There'll be a button right up here. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.